With Google Display Ads, you have the power to reach customers at all points of their buying cycle, from discovery to purchase. While it's important to be patient when first running display ads, to give the machine learning algorithm time to fully learn who your ideal customer is, after a few weeks, you'll want to think about optimizing your campaigns. In this video, you'll learn how to optimize the bids, creatives, and audiences of your display campaigns. First, always pair your display campaigns with a smart bidding strategy. If you're new to display, choose Maximize Conversions. This bid strategy will spend your budget as efficiently as possible in order to gain conversions. If you have a cost per action goal, choose Target CPA. Make sure your budget is at least 2 times your target CPA, but we recommend more than 10 times your target CPA. So there's enough budget to enter the most valuable auctions, and the campaign can produce multiple conversions per day. Remember that smart bidding strategies need a ramp-up time to learn how your account performs best. Use the bid strategy report to analyze performance and make any adjustments to your target CPA once the learning period has ended. If making adjustments to your target CPA, do so in small increments of 10 to 20%. Second, optimize the creatives of your display campaigns. Ensure that you have responsive display ads in each ad group to be served in more auctions and reach customers with the right message at the right time. Best practice is to build each responsive display ad with 5 headlines, 5 description lines, 5 marketing images, and a logo. These assets should be distinct from one another and highlight the unique selling points of your business. If available, also include a video to capture customers' attention. Use the assets report on a bi-weekly basis to understand how your creative assets are performing. Replace low-performing assets from your ads, but don't change too many creative assets at once. And third, optimize the audiences of your display campaign. If you're running a smart display campaign, you'll automatically reach new and existing customers who have intent to buy. For any standard display campaigns, start evaluating the performance of your audiences in the Audience tab. If an audience is performing well, use the targeting expansion function to find more people at a similar return on investment. Make sure to max out the targeting expansion before adding new performance audiences. Start at the bottom of the funnel and work your way up by adding these audience types. Remember to create new ad groups to keep tight themes and match creatives to audiences. To learn more about building a successful performance display strategy, check out Google Ads tutorials on Google Display. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.